Let's go ahead and set up some zones inside of your Astoria Lighting app. From the controller screen, go ahead and click on the controller you want to configure, and then in the top right corner, click on that gear to enter settings. Now you'll see inside of settings here, I've set up some channels. Got channel 1 here set to 300 pixels. You can configure each one of these channels or zones to a certain number of pixels in your system. Pixels is just another word for bulbs or lights in your system. Okay, so now that we've got channels set up in our settings, hit Patterns on the bottom of your screen, and then tap Custom there at the top. You'll notice a plus button at the bottom. Go ahead and tap that. And this will enter you into a customization mode where you can set up different zones or channels for your lighting system. You'll notice here at the top that I've got this set to channel number 1. Now if I tap on that, I'll be able to see the other channels that I also have set up that I showed you previously in settings. Now let's choose a few lights here. I'm going to choose lights 1 through 5 and set them to a warm white. Now I want to group these together in a zone. So up top you'll notice a Create Group folder. Go ahead and click on that, and it will take you into a screen where you can select those same 5 lights. You can choose up to 300 in here. Now click Create on the top right corner and you'll be able to give it a name. I'm just going to call this one Zone 1. Once I've got it right, go ahead and hit Create. All right, now you'll notice on the bottom, Zone 1 has been created. This is below your black little bulb lights here. So Zone 1, if I click into that, I will see the lights, and now I can create a new group if I want. So let's do Zone 2. So I'm going to go ahead and choose lights. Let's go just 6 through 10 here. Give it a name. Call this one Zone 2. And then hit Create. Now you'll notice on the bottom here, if I were to scroll just on the bottom, there you go, Zone 1 and Zone 2. There's my Zone 2. I can configure the colors of those lights as well. Here's Zone 1. I can change the colors at any time if I want. I'm going to throw some pinks in here. Now let's say that I don't want to keep that zone. Let's say I want to get rid of Zone 1. I don't like my configuration there. I just long press on Zone 1 and it'll pop up this little menu to confirm the deletion of that zone.